حالك بقى اليوم. Okay, I believe we are live. Okay, guys, so um, uh, I'll go on YouTube really quick and make sure that I am live over here. Let's see. Anyways, let's change some of this over here. So I haven't been live in a while. We have not started streaming in a while. Therefore, I will try to make things as easy as possible and as understandable as possible. So start off with closing some apps. Okay, we're gonna just quit a few things. Okay. We got YouTube here. So you guys see what's been happening here. It's been crazy. It's been wild. But order flow is respected all the time. Now what price is doing now is mitigating from here. So if we're mitigating this move higher, this move here should break above this high and break above this distribution schematic there too. So let's check it out. Let's check it out. So if we start off with a top-down analysis from the weekly, we don't need to go to the monthly really. Okay. It's taking a while to load. Data countries. Alright, what's up here? So I'm on a MacBook. I'm on a MacBook Air, and I think that's why it's taking so long, isn't it? So on the weekly, look at that. Really, on the weekly, we're kind of bearish because we failed to break above this high. We spoke about this before, and now we're coming back down. We did not close below, but maybe this week a bullish to mitigate from here and then drop back down. So what we're looking for is perhaps a mitigation that would come up to this green 1.18 or come down. Let's see. So that's the weekly. We understand that we're looking at kind of a slowdown in price. Price is slowing down. Let's go on the daily. It'll take another 2 hours to load. So on the daily, you can see it much better and much clearer. Okay. So on the daily, because yeah, we respected the last daily institutional candle, and it was on NFP Friday, and then we just dropped. Now we're reaching the point of interest, and this is my daily institutional Daily 88.6, and it's also an institutional candle. So I'm just gonna bring that more. Nope, that's not what I want. I want this guy to. No, not that guy. Damn it. This this trend line, the gold one. See, it keeps giving me that. Damn it. Yeah. This computer's being slow. Okay, good. There we go. So we can see that we've come up to our daily 88.6 zone, which is the golden ratio for me. Cool. So now what we're expecting is, or look at that, it's already happening, a mitigation off of this area and then burst higher in price. We need to come on top of here to be bullish, or here, you know. If we come to this area and we're bullish, that's good news. But for now, we could be looking for potential buys. All right, we're going to be looking for short-term buys, however, if we want to respect the order flow. But we'll see what happens, okay? We're not taking anything like that has to be that. You know, we adapt to the market and we try to listen to it and see what it's telling us. We can't just force our opinion. And therefore, I'm waiting and I'm looking, and what I see is, I mean, structure wise, right? Low, high, lower low, all the way down here. And then that's that higher high, lower low, you know? And then boom, we just broke above. We broke above. All right. Cool, 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 cool. Let's see the other side, the other side. Okay. Hey, bro. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Can you hear me good?
Yeah, I can hear you, bro. What's good?
Amazing. Well, we are live already on YouTube. All right. And can you see the screen as well?
Yeah, I can see the screen.
Okay, amazing, 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 sweet. So I was just doing a quick top-down analysis on Euro USD for kind of to, look at what we got this week so far. And I started off from the weekly time frame. Started off from the weekly time frame. The thing is, my computer might take some time to load, just because of all the apps that are running on it. But on the weekly time frame, so we look at this impulse we've been bullish, we've been going higher. I don't need to go much back really, but we've created this accumulation frame kind of schematic to go higher. We made this high, then we came back and we mitigated healthy price action from around the daily 88.6 area, and it's also the monthly institutional candle, which is this line, to go higher. Now, to go high, we failed to go higher than the previous high. So the sellers were stronger. They were more in control. And on NFP Friday, which was this day that made that last wick, it went up to the daily. It went up to an interesting area, anyways. But as we see, it failed to break higher than here, resulting in a drop that should come lower than this area, the last impulse. All right, does that make sense?
Yeah, it does.
Sweet. We're gonna go down to the daily. Come on. So on the daily, I've had it marked up pretty nicely as well. I'm gonna zoom out just a little bit and just a little bit more. I like how It looks really clean. I feel like it looks really clean. But here we go.
Yeah, looks heavy. The liquidity.
Look at that. Let's see. Okay,
It
now it's
does.
just zooming out too much. So on the daily, you know, see, we've had this kind of range of consolidation for a while, and then we broke higher than it, right? So it kind of we accumulated, and you can see the last spring, that came here to mitigate and took everything way up there. And what we did was we saw this on the daily, where price came down and mitigated straight off the daily 88.6 level to give us that next impulse higher. That next impulse higher failed to break above, as we said, and it respected the daily institutional candle, last daily buy before you sell, and also the 88.6 level, which is that golden trend line there. And on the top here, it created daily uh, liquidity because it wicked up to this high, but it only wicked up to it.
It failed to break structure.
It failed to break structure, and however, it did create liquidity, which can be target soon up here. With that being said, now as we were retracing back, we've marked up our areas that we have our point of interest in this area here, starting off with this trend line right there, which is our daily 88.6 level for the bullish impulse. And normally what we want to see is a slowdown in price. Check, we have that slowdown in price. Now we want to start to see a break of structure to the upside. That would, let's zoom in a little bit more. We want to see some kind of break of structure of these previous highs over here, all of these. So that's where, we sit on our hands a lot. But also notice that we remember that we failed to break structure previously. So we're looking more for bearish momentum. We want this to fall even more. That's more healthy price action. So on the weekly, we're bearish. On the daily, we are creating lower lows, lower highs. We're trying to come and create a lower low. We are trying, right? But there are a lot of buyers over here. I feel like this area is very, very sensitive, around this price, because even before, we always kind of consolidate around this price. Look at that. Like we did this big consolidation area. It was around this price exactly. We were kind of in the around the 50% of it as well. So we'll see, because we came back to visit it and we showed those buyers. They showed up. But now we're coming up to visit it a third time. So that doesn't sit well. Considering the DXY, the dollar index, is also very bullish and it's going higher, I think this can keep dropping. So I think we can keep seeing a weak euro. So that's on the daily. We're looking for weak euros. Let's go down on the 4-hour time frame. Let's see. Have you jumped on the charts yet?
No, not yet. I was initially waiting for you.
Are you on your computer right now? You can jump on some charts, right?
Oh, all right.
Okay, so on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour, let's see. Just give me a minute. On the 4-hour, we've come down to that daily point of interest down here, but we're slowing down, yet we have not broken structure here. We have not broken structure here. We definitely did not break structure here. Look at the order flow, right? Look at how it looks really clean because look, high, low, kind of we did break above, we did break above, but boom, we shot right down after it. So immediately invalidated. And then a lower high, lower low, and then just this. However, what I see, what is interesting is this price action now. What is price doing now? So you have our five, you know the five W's. I'm sure you know the five W's that we trade with. All right.
Yeah.
So if we write them down for everyone to see as well, our five W's. Are they gonna come up? Are they gonna come up? Okay, they're not coming up. What's the five W's, bro?
Uh, should I just type them in the group
It
in the
starts
chat
off with
section?
where is the money. I'm sure it starts off with where's the money. We got trend line liquidity all over up here. Look at that trend
Yeah.
line liquidity all up there. So we're looking bullish a little bit, on the 4 hour. Actually, I'd still
As
say
well.
bearish
We know
because
that.
we only broke above this structure, but let's do a cheat code. We have this high. This is your official high on the 4 hour. Okay? And all of this is that low. And now we're just trying to create a something. So if we're bullish, we actually have to come like legit, we have to come on top of 1.188. So 1.188 is where that would be considered a decent break of structure for me. Anything other than that is bearish. So I'm gonna keep looking for sells. Jumping down on the 1 hour. Actually, let's do the 2 hour because it's pretty clean too. Swifty. Do you have some charts that you want to share with me as well, bro?
No, I've not marked the chats yet,
Well,
but
you'll mark them up live.
yeah.
Live. Okay, so on the 2 hour, really quick. On the 2 hour, we have these two last candles, which on the 4 hour is the institutional candle. Before going lower, we marked it up. The opening, the 50%. So now I'm gonna bring it closer over here, and
Well, didn't you get mitigated?
it did not fully get mitigated. Look at that. I don't consider this a full mitigation because it just wicked it to the pip. So I don't believe I caught that sell. I did not catch it, but it was sniped really, really well. It did. However, I don't consider it a
Absolutely.
full mitigation just yet. I think there's more open orders inside of this area. Just because look at that. It's too empty. It's too empty. Like
Yeah, for me, how I would have marked that, I would have marked it from the beginning of the week to the 50%. So that way, it would have potentially cut the trade.
definitely, yeah, it would have been possible. But now I'm looking at something like this on the euro. Like if we can have a stop loss somewhere up here. I cannot see how many pips that is. But obviously, we're not gonna have this position, this stop loss and everything. We're gonna wait for price to come up there, and then we're gonna throw it lower. So let's do this. Let's throw a fib on it, shall we? If we go from this high, oh, that's not a fib. Come on. Okay. Fib. Cool. So we take it from this high. The computer's so slow. This low. Okay. Oh, okay. So look at that now. The 50% is lining up very nicely with the 88.6 level.
8.6, yeah.
And I consider the 71 up to the 76.8, I call it a pool of liquidity. I consider that a pool of liquidity. That's why it's usually in the blue. I don't really need to mark it up, but I will anyways. It's that, all of this kind of pool of liquidity. So I'm gonna mark that in a different color as well. Wow. I think my computer is working really, really hard, to be able to support all of this. I'm streaming, I'm using Streamlabs to stream live on YouTube. I've got you on Zoom, and wow.
That's crazy. No wonder it's slow.
Okay, so I'm gonna delete it anyways, but you get that pool of liquidity. I don't want to keep it there. We're kind of chilling on top of the 61.8. If we keep this momentum right now, we need to close on top of this previous high. If we close on top of this previous high, we can catch some short-term buys from down here to sell it. Or if the sell comes first, then we sell. You get what I mean?
Yeah, I do.
I think that's the good strategy for it. So
yeah, definitely.
Either it will come up here first and then we can sell it, or we can wait for this to close bullish on top here to come down and buy it higher. أهي. Okay, نكون بنلف هنا. Okay. So if we go down now to the 1 hour, we're gonna be looking at something different. We're gonna be looking at what is the price doing now. All right, to be able to catch anything for today potentially, which I don't really think we will be taking any trades on Euro USD at least. But I just want to keep analyzing Euro USD. I don't want to go to other pairs, just to keep it easy. But I kind of marked up the last bullish impulse before the downside. And you can see price just shot through it. Reason is because we had this big 30-minute FU candle that took all of this liquidity. This is what I'm talking about. The euro is really acting up. Like, it's giving us a really fucking hard time because it on the 22nd, I believe this was Monday. No, if this is Tuesday, Monday, Friday, Thursday. On Thursday, look at this. On Thursday, price came down, respected this institutional candle, the M15. It went up. It hit TP, and it respected the previous 4-hour institutional candle. And then it dropped. In the same day, it gave us 2 moves, right? It mitigated up here and down here on the same day, and then it dropped. And then when it dropped down here. What's that?
I said I saw you caught the you caught the
yeah.
Caught the buy, yeah?
Yeah, I caught the buy. I caught this buy as well here, which was a nice 1 to 12. I believe I closed out at 1 to 14. And then price consolidated, right? Next day, price shot up. It gave us that. It didn't really give us that sign of strength in the London, and it dropped. A lot of people were looking to sell it, and you can see I have marked up the sell as well here on the M15, and I caught some of the sell. I caught some of it, but then it just decided to go higher. So yesterday on Monday, we caught a little bit of this buy, took it up here. This is where we closed, which was the 30-minute FU candle as we spoke about. The 30-minute FU candle completely, like, it respected. It came back lower, and there was a buy opportunity over here that one of our partners caught to take it higher. But just to follow price action, we want now for price to close above the 61.8 over here. If it closes above it, and then it can retrace down. Ah, بعد شوية. If we retrace down, yeah. I'm live on YouTube and I'm live on Zoom. Yeah.
أنا كنت في زوم اليوم.
I'm back. صح.
أول إيش موضوع كذا مهم فهمتها.
عادي. تم. حاضر. عين.
عبارة عن هذا انتهى المحياش. قالوا لي في ايجنسي يديروا فيها، لكن قالوا لي مرات تعطيك محياش، لكن مرات يبدو زوز وبدرهم لازم حد يدير شير معاك، تجيب حد معاك باش ترفع انت وياه في النص إيجار.
عادي.
فهمتها. فلو كلموني قالوا لي نقول لهم عليك.
نقول لهم حتى هو كيف وقف الإقامة.
نقول لهم مش عارف إن كان حكومي حطوه في اوتيل ما بين يمشي يقدم
على واحد من الهوم اوفيس حطوه في اوتيل.
خلاص نقول له باهي هو الهوم اوفيس حطوه في الاوتيل ما بين يمشي للكونسل. عادي نجيبها معاه.
Okay, so I just marked up the H1 institutional candle, this last bearish move, and I like it because it went lower than like this wick. It went lower than this wick. It grabbed liquidity. I like it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go on the 30-minute lastly. So I'm gonna do the 30-minute, the 15-minute, and then I'm gonna pass it to you and let you share your screen, bro. And you can do a pound pair, anything. Ooh, look at that. See? Well, even on the 15-minute as well. It was that last liquidity capture. So we're good. You know, let's do this now. Let's do this. I'm gonna take that fib. Good. And we're gonna do this. We're gonna take this. Oh boy. ما تنسناش معاك يا دريا. عماد تعال تعال. عكس تعال قاعد هنا. باهي من باهي. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. This is so hard. It's like I'm working on surgery, bro. What's up? What's that? Sweet. So we can delete that. Sweet. Okay. So this was that daily 88.6 level as well that we're still respecting off of. Wow. Man, fractals, bro, it's crazy. It's like the same thing, and it's respecting it, and you can see how it happened. And wow, just when you start to read this thing like language. So this is what we have now. So I will have price closes above these highs, right? See that it came above it. I told you. I want to do something like this. Let's see. So this is what I'm gonna have. Take it up for the sell that's all the way up there. So even on the 15. Okay.
Yo, I'm back.
Yo, what is this? What is there? Cool. All right, man. So this is the Euro USD now. This is the short-term buy that we have so far if we're going to be taking it. We managed to close above the high. So it's all good. So I'm gonna stop my screen sharing here for a minute. Actually, I'll just do this. Hold up. And we're going to be having this one here on. Okay. Post it on Trade Talk. Boom. All right. Now you can share, bro. Let's see what you
Yeah,
got.
just give me a sec. My laptop just went off. I'm trying to restart it.
Okay. Whoosh.
The Chrome is coming up.
Yo,
Yo, bro.
where is your screen? I cannot see.
Yeah, I'm trying to. I'm in the way to.
Hmm.
I don't know why it's taking time.
Yeah, that's alright, man.
It's connecting. Suddenly it's so bad something. I don't know what's wrong on my laptop. It's connecting now.
Hmm.
I'm facing technical difficulty with my laptop. It's freezing to connect. Thanks for that you're able to connect with your connections.
Yeah, we need some high-speed Wi-Fi and some top-shelf computers to be able to stream and actually do this shit. Oh man, oh man, Euro is pumping.
You know what? Could you just continue sharing your screen outside? You forgot this out.
Okay. All right. Well, bro, that's Euro. I mean, there's just another day, really, bro. We don't need to execute it. I guess I'm not executing it today. Let's look at gold. Actually, no. Let's not look at gold. I don't want to look at gold.
I marked up gold yesterday, and
I marked up
came
gold
to
yesterday as well, and it was a nice buy, and we caught some of it, and then it didn't continue, man. It's annoying. It didn't continue.
yeah. Even me, I was chilling in profit at first, but then it now came back and took me out.
Yeah. Oh, 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 gold is in. Oh, okay. I don't believe this. Huh. Okay. So I just locked in some profit on gold. I was I still had some positions open from literally here. No, wait, no, that's a lie. From here. From yesterday down here. And they went and draw down, and boom, boom. I just closed it, some of it. So now, actually, this looks good. Okay, look, if we do this, we zoom in. Okay.
You entered the trade again?
No.
Oh.
This is open, like that. Come on, where is this going? Okay. So let's see. If we have a healthy price action, we might be able to catch a buy on gold.
Yeah, hopefully.
We might be able to
Gold
catch a
sometimes
buy
is
very, very soon on gold. Do you see it?
yeah, I do see it.
Okay,
I
we're
see
going to
it.
start calculating some risk management now. But it's going to be like this. This order block. Let's see if it comes down. Okay. So that's that. We're going to get rid of this fib. So that's my area. Um, we can see what price did before was, look at that. We had, I'm going to draw this down. This was the last move that captured all of this liquidity. It captured this liquidity. All right. And then it went higher. Interesting. What if we do this? It might come down lower, so we might have first entries over here, but it might come down because,
Oh,
yeah, it might come down. It might come down all the way here.
yeah, it could possibly because yesterday's trade also did the same.
Yeah, like a high. I want to take both of these candles. You know, I want to take this one and this one because it was like the reason I want to do that is because price induction, right? It was induced into, like, the volume was induced here. Prices started from 1557 or 1157. Yeah, it was 1157. Price started to drop, and that's the time it was induced. So I don't look at the candlesticks. I more so look at the time, as in this is when this thing happened and it started to happen at this time until this time. That's the move, right? The candlesticks are supposed to be a representation of the move. They're supposed to represent the move. However, the move is not the candlestick. The move is the move, you know. But we're gonna throw a fib on it as well now, and you'll see what I mean. So, oh, I got on the phone call. Hello. Uh, عليكم السلام. الحمد لله شنو الأمور؟ والله ماشي يعني في نعمة. الحمد لله. أنت ها قاعد عايش. باهي منيح كويس. إن شاء الله إن شاء الله ديما بتتنفس. شنو حصاير في الحوت؟ مات. سألت عليه من اليوم الأول لكن فيش حد رد علي.
لا الأمور طيبة. شو اسمه غيرت للمية اليوم، كان ضباب أمس، غيرت للمية اليوم الصبح ومشيت نموت.
باي يبارك فيك.
قلت خلينا نكلمه بس يسمع الصوت. لما قاعد الأمور طيبة.
يرفوني لفندق بعيد. آه. في مكان اسمه ويجن. في مكان. لكن مش في السنتر، لا لا بعيد. يبعد ساعتين من أولدهم، ساعتين من روتشدل سوري. يبعد ساعتين تمشي تاخذ قطار من روتشدل، وبعدين من روتشدل لما تنزل في ويجن، ومن ويجن لازم ها. شو متخيل ما تكلمتش؟ WIGAN. Yeah. Uh, no, 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 bro, it's reacting. I think it's reacting. Oh no, it's reacting off of this. Out of this. Oh, I'm gonna buy with a very small lot size. I'm gonna open a very, very small lot size buy on gold. On gold. Yeah, I'm gonna buy it now. I'm gonna buy it now. And I'm gonna have a stop loss like right under here, you know. Let's see. Already in profit, we blew, baby. Yeah.
Alright, let me
Where's my
do the
cat? My
same.
cat. أنا في حوش.
Doing that first.
مش في الفندق. مش في الفندق. الفوني فندق أنا. لا كلمت الولاية اللي يشتغل في الفندق ويندري علي عشان قاعدين بيه. We blew, baby. ايه لا بنمشي.
My MT4 is taking forever to load.
يا عبدو. لا مول القطوسة هنا جت نوقف فيها وبنمشي بعدين نرجع.
Yeah, I just bought also.
والله كل قتال الحار.
ها
قتال الحار. يا أخوتها
محمد معايا.
تعال اسمع
انتم
اسمع.
صوتكم. Bro, I have to, how the fuck do I mute this?
اسمع عبدو.
Okay. So that was something. We caught some buys from that. We caught a nice buy up here. Yeah. Yeah, I can't hear you speak, bro. That's it. There's no audio. That's why maybe. But look at that. I knew. I called it. Pew. So we caught this. Um, I had something like this. Hey, bro, we just caught a quick 1 to 6 ish. No, it wasn't the 1 to 6, fortunately. But it was something like that. Yeah. Okay, bro. So this is what it's gonna look like. Okay. We have that, and we're gonna have maybe if it comes up one very small position here. But trade management comes in. Should know how to manage your trade. All right.
Yo,
Yo, hello. Can you hear me? Yeah, it's all good.
I don't know what's up. What went wrong with my network? I was talking. I found out that I was just talking to myself.
Uh, yeah, I was talking the whole time too. Well, we're over here, but we're out here. It's cool. So the buy position is risk free. Okay, that we took over here. That's risk free. Um, Other than that, if price fails to go here because it's already failing to create that higher high, all right, unless it
Yeah.
does it on this candle, maybe we have one, maybe two candles left if it does it. If it doesn't, if this candle closes bearish, it's likely going to continue lower. So um, maybe here, tight stops, right? 0.5% on each, 0.3 even, but that's gold. That's gold. I already made my day. Well, I made 1% on my account already, which is all right.
Okay.
You know, 1% day is good, super good. So I have a small position open from here, from this buy. I closed partials and then I put it risk free. If it continues, if it doesn't, I might catch a buy here and here. But I will be monitoring it on the 1 minute. If it reaches over here, I I want to see it break structure higher and then catch a retracement.
Yeah, I'm also looking at it.
The thing with gold is it doesn't always do it, but it's fine. It's alright. So if we do this, I want to see something like that, and then we catch the retracement from here, for example, to take it higher. So our entry becomes, you know, like that. شنو يدري؟
أنا أدري
أنت
يا وحش أنت.
أيوة. We're making money, bro.
حكي رايح خليت
Yeah.
مش أنا شاري.
Shadi, أنت أمس. Oh, you should be in profit now. Ooh, today you should be in some nice profits, bro.
والله بس جاي يعني.
شوف أنت وقول.
هذا ليش
لا لا طيب. Nah, you should. You're probably not in profit. Oh, you're still. Hey.
نفس الشيء لك.
عادي. عادي.
تو أنا شاري كنا لما بنبيع كيف بندير؟ ها؟ شو ندير تو مثلا بنبيع؟
أنت بتسكرها. You close your position like that, and then you.
ما بيش تسكرها. لو مثلا بنبيع.
شو بتدير؟
كيف ولا بنسكرها؟ لما نسكرها ناخذ الفلوس هذا يعني. ها؟ ونسكرها ندير هيك. وهذا شنو ما؟ اللي على اليمين شنو هي؟
لو بتسكر modify وديك chart.
chart.
Yeah.
modify شنو؟ قداش يعني ما أنا حاط 0.05% يعني نقدر نغيرها.
Yeah, you can close partials, which is you close partial of your trade. Wow. So I'm looking at GU. I had this marked up yesterday, and look at this bullshit. ماشي. ريتها شكلها اليوم حالها أحسن من أمس. مفيش شكلهم ماتوا برغوثة. Ooh. Ooh.
اسمع،
Selling
انتبهت انا
gold.
اليوم.
Huh?
انتبهت انا اليوم.
I'm selling gold. You feel there.
اه
Oh,
I might be selling it
I
soon.
was muted all this while. You know, I've actually been talking. I just discovered that I was muted.
انتبهت انا اليوم.
مش عارف.
ها؟
Okay.
قول لي اسمع. نجي بعدين.
Hello?
Yeah, bro, I hear you. Yeah. The thing is, I want to sell it, but not now because it's too late. Because the sell was up here. You know?
Yeah, you know that was exactly what I was saying, and then I just discovered that I was muted. Because personally, for me, I'm looking for it to like as you marked it out to come down to this first point of interest for the second. Then we can be looking to long it from there.
Yeah. So now
So what do you think?
we want to see a break of this structure here. Good luck, my bro. Salam. Yeah, we're coming down. We're coming down. We're coming down to take it.
Yeah, because even me, I swear it. I was just telling you, and then I discovered that I was muted.
Yeah.
But let's see.
So equal lows on this bottom of the structure.
الشنطة عندي حوايج مسخات أنا بقدر هيدوني بيه نمشي بيه الأكوموديشن أول يوم. عرفت؟
When?
ها؟
Stop when?
معرفش. في اليومين هادو.
Let's so let's see. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. It's moving slow, but it's going, you know, it's going.
Yeah.
So it would have been something like this, really.
I feel like it might actually react from those imbalances before it finally coming down to. I think it might actually like take a while before coming down to the point of interest because it might decide to react of the imbalances that are there.
Yeah. I think it will reach this take profit here, this area. I think it's closer to the 50% as well if you think about it. Hold on. Wait, let's see where the 50% is at. The 50% is right over here. So this means that if we are to get buys, see, it's all aligning, bro. Hold on. You know what, bro?
Anyways, let's see.
Yeah, so that's take profit 1 is over here. Take profit 2 is over here. We shall see. And then it can just, of course, react and just continue on that way. It could do this as well. Did you send the Zoom link to anyone else? Yo, Bucka. Yo, man.
My network be broken. I don't know what's up.
Yeah. Did you send the Zoom link to anyone else?
Did I?
Who's Fabel? Yo, Fabel.
Hello?
Hey, good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you.
Yes, Farooq from Nigeria. My brother Sadiq.
You're who?
Farooq from Nigeria.
Or how did you get the Zoom link?
Sadiq sent it to me.
How did you? Who sent it to you?
Hello, can you hear me? Yo, Mo.
Yo, I hear you.
Yeah, we're together. I sent him. We're here, right here together.
Okay, okay. I thought it was like a hack or something. I didn't understand. I said,
Yeah.
I was like,
No, I did send it to him because we were together. He was calling me, and I told him that I'm on the Zoom call.
okay,
sweet.
sweet.
It's like he wants to talk.
That's all right. That's all right, man. Okay, well, man, Farouk, bro, we've been catching some moves, man. We've been catching some moves.
You guys know each other. Yeah, you guys have spoken before.
Okay, definitely. Then that's good, bro. That's good. So now what's happening is we're looking for gold to keep dropping. Dropping, and then we might catch a buy like this. So this is what we're looking for, bro. Reason being is order flow. Order flow. If you don't know what order flow is, I would highly recommend you go and watch Bounce Back Boot Camp. Yeah, man. And
Oh yeah, you marked the what do you call it? I was talking about the imbalance that I feel like you might actually react from it before coming to the point of interest.
this imbalance here.
Yeah.
That imbalance is my point of interest. Is the pool of liquidity. And then
Yeah.
here, yeah.
That was exactly the one I was talking about also before my network decided to misbehave.
Yeah. Great minds, great minds. 88
You know, personally for me, I actually don't like trading this gold because I had some bad what do you call it encounters with it. I like almost all the accounts that I did was based off gold, so I decided to like just stay off gold.
Yeah, bro, gold
It's
does
just
that
the
to you,
result.
man. It does that. It can do that to
Pardon?
you. I said gold can do that to you, bro. It can do it to you, and me too. I don't like to trade gold that much, honestly, because look, what is this? You know, it literally decided to react off of this, which is probably a 3 minute institutional candle. If I go on the 3 minute, no, it's not. It is actually. There's the 50% of it, and look, now just gonna keep going higher. It's gonna keep skyrocketing now. If it doesn't, because it respected this bullshit. I mean, really? How annoying is that, really?
That's that's just it. It's well, let's see. Maybe it might just it's just coming back there to react, to retrace and then go back. Because there's liquidity, there's still liquidity that hasn't been swept. You know.
Yeah, maybe. All I know is that it respected it very, very nicely. See, and then just keeps going up. Well, then in that case, shall we enter a sell now that it's back at the entry?
Yeah, we can definitely do that.
But the spreads, bro, the spread is going a bit crazy.
Yeah. I'm actually trading on my demo account.
Vibration. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I did enter a sell, and it's okay. So I managed to grab an entry over here.
Yeah, same here. I managed to also get it before it started going down, maybe. But this thing is going crazy. But the one really typing.
Okay, well, we're blue, we're in profit. A little bit.
Yeah, same here, over here.
Uh,
It's just going crazy.
you know what scares me though? It's that it kind of broke structure. That scares me a little bit. But we're at a 1 to 2 right now, kind of.
Are you still streaming on YouTube?
I believe so. Yes. Are we all still on YouTube? Yeah, we're skipping some frames every now and then, but we're still streaming. You tell me, bro. No. So we have about 2 minutes left in this meeting, in the Zoom meeting.
Oh.
Before we're gonna have to. Yeah. So I haven't put my stop loss at my entry yet because of the spread. Like I would be taken out right now by the spread if I had my stop loss at entry.
This gold is just crazy. How it's making the most.
Yeah.
1 minute time profit. The next you back to red.
I know. And it's just deciding to do that. But that's okay though, with risk management, it's cool. So
Yeah,
we have until
that's just it.
6:30, which is 16:30. Here we go. So that's our time over there. No more trading after 16:30. So this shows that we have some time to catch some trades still, Like we don't need to execute necessarily, but I'm just saying a lot of things can happen from here until here because this is 4:30 p.m. where we're going to stop. So yeah, just keep dropping. Everything is aligning for it to drop. It needs to. It should drop.
Absolutely. But
But now I
the
see it.
market is very.
We're manipulating the highs and breaking structure to the downside. Okay, that zoom ended. We'll start a new one. Rich vibration. We're still in profit. We're still in profit. Still in profit. A whole lot of profit. We're in a whole lot of profit. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Did you see? This thing went crazy.
Are you enjoying your profits, bro?
Yeah, I just I just checked. I just checked my FT pool. I saw the massive drop to the downside.
Look at that. Make money with Mo, baby.
The TP, the TP, it almost hit the TP.
It hit TP1, bro. We hit TP1. Okay, and we're very close to TP2. And take profit at 3 is usually where the buy is going to be at. Or take profit 3 can just be down there. But yeah. Remember to go risk free.
Yeah, absolutely.
We're still dropping. We're still going to keep dropping.
Whoa. This shit is dropping.
Dropping like it's hot. It's still pushing. Okay, well, no, see that, bro. Yes, 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 yes. TP halfway to TP2. Just continue. Don't let nothing hold you back, baby. Oh yeah.
Come on now.
So see that we're seeing the reaction from the 71%.
Yeah.
But I think it's just a minor reaction. I think they're just showing off. They're being like, yeah, we can pump it if we want. You know, they're just like manipulating people. You know, and being like, oh, it's time to buy. It's time to buy. This is where everyone is like,
Yeah.
oh, the drop is finished, and it's time to buy now. We're seeing some bullish
Yeah,
impulse.
absolutely. Try to manipulate the.
Yeah, because look, it retraced from the 71% all the way up to the 50%. So we could have caught another sell from that 50%. Just kidding. But come on, drop. Okay, okay. So now you know what we do. If this next candle closes bullish, we have a few seconds left on it, which is probably going to do that. We're going to catch a fib from there to here. And then, yeah, this is the 50%. Okay, I get it. I think I found the one. I am going to take this candle because
What candle?
this 1 minute candle, the last buy was the strongest buy that took care of this liquidity as well. To sell back down. So if price decides to come up any higher, it should not go beyond there. Because remember, we are looking to buy it higher than that for the big sell.
Yeah.
And at the same time, okay, we're trying to do this. But it's still dropping though. What price is doing now is still dropping. I'm just marking this up as a devil's advocate in case, you know, we know where to expect trouble. But we need to come down here. A lot of things to me are saying that we're gonna come down all the way here.
Yeah, even me, not sure.
Like a lot of things are lining up for it to come down here. We have a lot of confirmations for it lining up to come down there.
I just feel like it's just trying to manipulate the retail traders before.
Yeah, but it's taking its time to do it.
Yeah. I feel like it wants to induce more liquidity into the market and then you just come down. Right. I just wanted that.
Okay. What do you think it will drop before retracing up there, or do you think it will retrace and then drop?
Wow, I feel like with the kind of strength it has, I feel like if I decide to like go to the point of interest, just mark and then come back down. Because I feel like personally for me, I feel like it's trying to induce more liquidity. It's trying to induce more retail traders and for them to like feel like now it's now going up and then boom, and just come down and remove all their what do you call it stop losses and then now go back up.
Yep. Oh, he's dropping.
See, you never can tell. But you see, I feel like there's an institutional candle that I had made an institutional candle down here. And it might decide to just like tap into it and then reverse. What do you think? Can you see like can you spot the institutional candle that I'm talking about?
This one?
Yeah, the one at the extreme bottom.
This one.
No, not that one. I mean like down.
This?
Let me see if I can get this. I'm talking about this one. This one right here.
Oh. To go higher.
Yeah. Well, let's see.
Interesting.
So I feel that's why like it's slowing down because of it. Because you see it's just tapping into it.
Okay. Well, we're just doing the same thing over and over. We're taking that institutional candle. And we're going to do this and see if this level here holds.
Let's see, will that reverse it? Let's see, well, I feel like it's reacting. It's reacting to it, but let's see. But then it seems like it's all ready to go up.
No, I think it's ready to go down. I don't think we're coming up here anymore. If we spend more, the more time we spend in this point of interest, the more likely we're gonna go down. In my opinion. Keep dropping. Yeah, doesn't it look good like this when it's dropping? Like even the price action looks healthy, you know? It looks like something that gold would do. I think, you know what, bro? I think it's gonna go past this point of interest. I think it's gonna go past. It's gonna come down here. I see it doing it. You know what I see, bro? I see a long wick down, just down. Just one long wick down, like boom. That's what I think is gonna happen. Yo, are you still there, bro? Oh, you're on your computer. Okay. Ooh, come on, we created equal lows. We have to now entice those retail traders. The price is gonna go higher before we come and clap these lows. We're gonna clap these lows. This is so fun, I swear, bro. It's like you're playing cheat. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I'm so happy it's streaming, guys. Just look at this. Look at how those lows are gonna be clapped. Your support line is gonna get clapped. Good vibrations, baby. Come on. I'm on that good shit in alcohol. Yo, I can hear you, bro. Hmm.
Yeah, that's what I feel. I feel now there's more reason for it to come down.
Ha! Look at that. They got clapped. I said it. Watch these equal lows get clapped, and they got clapped. Now keep pumping that. Yes. Bucker, are you still holding the trade? Are you still holding the sell?
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
You're robbing the bank legally.
Oh man. Oh man. Wait, I really hope this is like streaming me. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, hold on. No, I'm trying to. Yes. Oh, okay. I get it now. Fair enough. Fair enough. Ah. This is annoying. Really, really annoying. Come on, man.
I feel like it's reversing now, yeah?
Hold up. Nope, it's not doing it. The thing about the Streamlabs is I'm gonna just delete it. And yeah, hold up. I'm gonna put it back um, now. Just gonna put that window capture. And then we're going to do this. Okay, good, 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 good. Here we go now. I think now it's back. Sweet. I know I'm lagging a little bit. Yeah. Okay, it's cool though.
Yeah, we both lagging a little bit because I don't know what's up with my network today. My Wi-Fi is just acting up. Not only my Wi-Fi, my phone is also acting up.
Well, we should be back now. Now everything should be okay. Everything should be okay now. Oh, okay. Okay, this should have been a trigger right there. I think this is the trigger because it looks like an FU candle. If you ask me, it took this liquidity and if it breaks structure to the upside, then we're going to use it to go for a buy. So if this here closes above, then we're going to use this candle to go for the buy. But wait, we hit TP2.
Yeah, like,
you know, we hit TP2. Look at that. Yeah. So we just caught a 1 to 7 live. Live.
that's crazy.
Yep. So that's what's happening.
Well, I feel like it's on FU and I feel like it's running on to reverse. Or what do you think?
If it doesn't do it now, then I think it's gonna keep dropping. Do you see how like we're bullish and then we're bearish and then we're bullish and then we're bearish? Like we're buying and then we're selling and that's how it is, bro. It is because the market doesn't move in one direction. Man.
Yeah.
And then most of the time, however, we just sit on our hands and do whatever. Ah. What do you say? Should we look at another pair?
Yeah, let's look at the EU and see what's doing. Because for this, I feel like it's something within kind of liquidity there.
Yeah, I think it's gonna keep dropping.
Pardon?
It's gonna keep dropping.
Yeah, I also feel I feel like it will react to this last bunch of interest.
Yeah. Let's see. We're just gonna leave it. It's generating a lot of liquidity. It's just engineering a whole lot of liquidity. Euro. Here is the move. Ooh. What is this? What's happening? What's happening? Okay, so yeah, this was it. Yeah, Euro is just doing its thing, bro. I think there's probably some news that came out. That's why price is acting up right now. So the volatility,
Yeah,
we're seeing news kind of volatility. You know?
Let me check the FOREX factory. Yeah, there's news for USD. I don't think there's news for Euro. There's news for USD. Consumer confidence. CB consumer confidence.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, nothing on the euro.
You know, could we go over and come and let me just confirm because yeah, Euro EJ because I marked it. I'm just I just saw what's wrong with this thing. I just saw it. Come on, what's wrong with this? You know, I marked it before I started studying for my exams, and then I'm just opening it right now and I'm seeing it. That's already hit TP.
On Euro JPP, Euro pound.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I'm sure I have some kind of markup on Euro pound. Yeah, Euro pound is let's see.
Right.
I don't like this, bro. Like these are the kind of things I just don't like. They make me go weird. Like what is that? Too much up and down movement. Can you imagine having a buy in the middle or a sell? Like just in the middle over here? Oh, even better.
No,
Let me.
I got a 1 to 5 before that.
No, no, no. A 1 to how much?
1 to 5 before this one. Can I share my screen to show you?
Yeah, absolutely. I just want to show you something before you share your screen with me, okay? Okay, check this out. Ah, no, no, no. Wait. This is a really good case study, actually. But check this out. Okay. I'm just trying to.
That's so much liquidity. Where you just left, that's so much liquidity.
I know.
Liquidity.
I know. But check this out. Okay? So, speaking from here, for example, we're looking at continuations, right? Boom,
Yeah.
lower low. That, coming back, lower low. So, first of all, I mean, you know damn well that we would take this 5 minute candle here because it's just standing out so much.
Yeah.
Right? So, like this. I'm just gonna show you because this is really interesting and the time it happened as well. You will see what time this happened, and this will make even more sense and it will be even more interesting. But so we have this, right? That's the 50% of it. That's it. We're not gonna put anything else really. That, and we're gonna take it. So we have 10 minutes in this meeting. I'm gonna wrap it up really quick just to show you what happened. It's really annoying because look at that, and it happened at London Open, bro. So I'm gonna take a vertical line and I'll put it at the London Open, 8 a.m. right there, London session. And yeah, right near 8 a.m. You see that we were having all those confirmations, but then price shot up intensely, like stupid. However, it respected, and now it should not really come much lower to go higher. I want it to hold, but yeah, go ahead, share your screen, bro. Let me give you the ability to. You can share your screen now.
Let's see, can I share my screen? Okay.
Oh my god.
So you see what I was talking about.
Hold on. Stay. I'm gonna try to and bring you there. Yeah, okay, I see what you're talking about. Euro, pound, and okay. Yeah, I get it. I think I see it. Yeah. Very nice.
Like this.
Very nice.
This second entry. Yeah, this second entry, I got it off this daily institutional candle here because initially I wanted to sell it here, but then it hit my TP, and then on the daily, wait, am I muted or no? So I used I used this daily candle, but then I didn't even take the trade because I was just checking the charts, and then I just discovered that it hit TP.
Sweet. Yeah, I see it. I'm gonna bring it up like that as well for YouTube to see. That looks nice, bro. So go on the 5 minute and show me your entry drill. How did you enter?
This is very slow. We have 5 minutes left. Less than 5 minutes. This thing is taking forever to go back to it. It's taking forever. Let's get on. So let's do this. Let's see 13 minutes.
So
Huh?
yeah.
I'm just trying to get at it from the 5 minutes. Let's use the 30 minutes.
Yeah, the 30 minute looks good as well.
Yeah.
Your stop loss was huge though. Do you see how you could have minimized your stop loss so much less than what it is right now?
Yeah, my laptop is actually crazy. It's just moving on its like by itself. I'm actually not the one pushing it. It's just going crazy by itself.
Yeah, I get it. Does that to me as well, man. And then it does it on the other side, and you're going back as well.
like it was literally just moving by itself. It's still doing. It's just moving. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Let me try to figure this out because it's moving. So I don't know.
Oh.
Do you know how I can stop it because it's it's just
Close some applications that you have on your computer or something.
okay. So, well, it's still not helping. It's still just moving on its own. After it's left, and my charts or my laptop doesn't want us to go over this. You see, it's still moving on its own. Okay, it's just moving on its own. And I tried to start it, but
It's okay. It's okay. Bro.
okay, I guess I've gotten a hang of it. Yeah, I've gotten a hang of it. Let's see if you can utilize this 1 minute. Let me just.
Ah.
My laptop just don't want us to go over this because
Ah. Ugh. So, what's gold saying? I.
yeah, that's
No.
not good.
No.
Hey, it took me out.
It took you out.
Yeah.
It did not take
How
me
about
out. I closed early.
I didn't close mine.
I closed
But
at
it's still,
I closed at 18:01. But look at that. Now you know damn well it's not good to buy against. Let me show you. Let me show you. Niche. Nope. There we go. We're not gonna be buying anymore, obviously, because of the bearish momentum. You know, so no buys. You know. But that was crazy. I told you. uh, oh, so cool. Look at this. Look at this. So, like, just a couple pips away. But on the 3 minute, 5 minute, yeah, on the 5 minute, it did 5 minutes. What did that go up to? Wow, that's just crazy.